In the world of interior design, the coastal aesthetic is often associated with anchors, seashells, and kitschy nautical stripes. However, for the modern minimalist, the coastal look is far more sophisticated. It is about capturing the feeling of the ocean, the expansive horizon, the bleached driftwood, and the soft, reflective light, without the clutter of traditional decor. A minimalist coastal kitchen is the ultimate breath of fresh air for a modern apartment. It prioritizes a light and fresh atmosphere, using a palette of whites, pales, and natural textures to create a space that feels like a permanent summer morning. If you want to transform your kitchen into a serene, seaside-inspired sanctuary, here are the most stylish inspirations to guide your design. 1. The bleached wood foundation. Traditional coastal kitchens often use dark navy or heavy oak. The minimalist coastal approach, however, leans into weathered or bleached wood tones. The aesthetic: look for white oak, ash, or whitewashed pine for your cabinetry or flooring. These woods have a desaturated, sandy quality that mimics driftwood found on a shoreline. The minimalist edge: keep the cabinet doors flat panel or slab style with no visible handles, push to open. This ensures that the beautiful, subtle grain of the light wood is the primary focus, creating a clean, architectural look that feels organic and high-end. 2. A palette of sea mist and salt. Minimalism thrives on a monochrome base, but a coastal kitchen needs a hint of the ocean's color to feel fresh. The base: use a crisp, cool white for your walls and main cabinetry. This acts as the salt that reflects natural light deep into the apartment. The accent: introduce a sea mist gray, a very pale duck egg blue, or a glass green for the kitchen island or the backsplash. These colors should be so subtle that they almost look white in bright light. They provide a cool contrast to the warm wood, mimicking the meeting of the sand and the water. 3. The glass and air backsplash. In a small minimalist apartment, a heavy tiled backsplash can sometimes feel closed in. To keep a coastal kitchen feeling light, you need to prioritize transparency. Hand-glazed zellage tiles. If you love tile, choose white or pale blue zellage tiles. Because they are handmade, they have an irregular, shimmering surface that reflects light exactly like the ripples on the surface of the ocean. Clear glass panels. For an ultra-modern minimalist look, use a single sheet of back-painted glass. It is seamless, easy to clean, and provides a soft, watery reflection that makes the kitchen wall feel like it's made of light. 4. Natural fiber accents, jute and rattan. To prevent a white and blue kitchen from feeling clinical, you must introduce the raw textures of the coast. The pendant light, a large, oversized pendant light made of woven rattan or seagrass, is a staple of this style. It provides a natural focal point and casts beautiful, rhythmic shadows on the ceiling at night. Woven bar stools. Choose bar stools with a slim wooden frame and a woven cane or jute seat. Because you can see through the weave, these stools don't block the view of the kitchen, keeping the floor plan looking open and breezy. 5. Matte white and brushed nickel hardware. Minimalist coastal design avoids shiny or glitzy metals like polished gold or chrome, which can feel too formal. The seaworthy metal. Opt for brushed nickel or satin chrome. These metals have a soft, muted sheen that looks like it has been smoothed by the salt air. The matte white faucet. For a truly modern and unique look, choose a matte white swan neck faucet. It disappears against a white backsplash, emphasizing the clean and fresh philosophy of the room. The minimalist coastal vibe checklist. To ensure your kitchen stays minimalist rather than nautical, keep these 3 professional principles in mind. The no-themed rule. This is the most important rule. No anchors, no starfish, and no beach this way signs. The coastal feeling should come from the materials: wood, glass, stone, and the colors: white, sand, blue, not from literal objects. If you want to display something organic, a single, large piece of white coral or a bowl of smooth gray river stones is all you need. 2. Open shelving with intent. Replace 1 or 2 upper cabinets with a single, thick white oak floating shelf. Use this shelf to store only your most aesthetic items: a set of white ceramic mugs, clear glass jars filled with sea salt, and perhaps one small plant. This void in the cabinetry is what allows the kitchen to breathe. 3. The Natural Light Maximizer. Coastal design is nothing without light. Keep your window treatments as minimal as possible, ideally a simple white linen Roman shade or nothing at all. Ensure your countertops are kept 90% clear so that the sunlight can bounce off the white surfaces and fill the room. Conclusion: a culinary breeze. Creating a minimalist coastal kitchen is an exercise in lightness. It is about designing a space that feels unburdened, where the morning coffee feels like it's being served on a quiet pier. By focusing on driftwood tones, misty colors, and woven textures, you transform the heart of your home into a refreshing retreat. A light and fresh kitchen isn't just about aesthetics, it's about how the space makes you feel. In the middle of a busy city, a coastal-inspired minimalist kitchen offers a moment of clarity and calm every time you walk into the room. It is proof that the most beautiful designs are the ones that allow us to feel closer to the natural world. Final thought: if you could open your kitchen window and feel a sea breeze right now, what is the first thing you would want to see on your counter? A glass of cold water? A bowl of citrus? Design your kitchen to match that feeling.